What's what is going on? Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to Spicy Suplex. I am your host to Spicy Suplex, Zach, and it's very, very good to be back. I know it's been quite a long time, and over the next few installments, whatever you want to call them, we'll catch up, we'll talk, we'll explain, instead of going through a big spiel of the direction I want to take my channel. I'm just going to take it that direction. So thank you guys very much for being back. And you know what? I really didn't know what I wanted to do today. I didn't even know if I wanted to film a video. I've been kind of putting it off. I've been really excited about it. And I went to the post office, went to my mailbox, and I didn't even know I had ordered this. So I was like, this is perfect because I have no goddamn clue what's in here. So we can open it together. And all the while, I don't know if this is a smart or if it's a dumb idea, but guys, ready for it? Ready? Uh-oh. I may pay for this, but my intrusive thoughts won. The 5-minute timer. Start it. Let's go. In the next box, the tag team quake. Abidi and Sabu, the Hardys. Los Guerreros and SoundCloud Posse. And more. The shirt number 1. Eddie Guerrero is my favorite wrestler. Very nice. Sorry guys, I can't feel my tongue. Next, the icon. The icon sting. We got a sticker, the greatest dark match of all time. Colt Cabana versus Satnam Singh, I believe his name is. The Beast Muertos, AEW Micro Brawler. The Scapegoat, Jack Perry. Oh, I got the Chase. Limited edition. I'm blinded by the heat. Then we got a Danhausen, looked like a goblin. Slimer Brawler Ball. And our pin, we got a New Jack pin. Then we have a I don't think pink is my color at all, but just for the sake of the box on the video, because I'm excited to be back, a Darby Allin beanie. And like I said, I have no idea what's going to be in this box. So let's see. The newly, just yesterday, crowned NXT North American Champion, Ricky Saints. We got Ricky Starks, baby. Starky, baby, the stroke daddy. He's back. You fumbled, Tony. Sorry, not sorry. And we got 7 seconds left. Return challenge done. Completed. Box open. Done. Signed. Sealed. Stamped. Delivered. Snot is running. Heat's pounding. It's already hitting my belly. So, we're back. And I'm not like the other times before. No. We gotta change up in work. We gotta change up in life. We gotta change up in the channel because we're back. We're gonna be doing things. We're gonna be getting reconnected to each other, guys. We're gonna get reconnected to the spice and to wrestling. Like, comment, subscribe, and shouting out of the day. Every new video, guys, we're going to shout out a new channel, whether it's a popular, whether it's a medium popularity, whether it's low, or whether it's brand spanking new. And today, longtime viewer and follower of the channel, one of my most number one commenters, the wonderful Hungry Hobo. He's posting on his channel, guys. He's got strange, wild, and crazy food challenges and combinations, and this guy can eat. I mean, he can eat. Go help him out. give him a like, give him a comment, give him a subscribe, give him a cross chop right to the chest, make his nipples red, and by all means, I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, heck